In recent years, a groundbreaking technological innovation has swept the art world and redefined how we perceive, buy, and sell digital art. Non-Fungible Tokens, or NFTs, have emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing the way artists create, share, and monetize their digital creations. In this video, we will delve into the world of NFTs and the digital art revolution, discussing what NFTs are, how they work, their impact in the market, and the implications for artists, collectors, and the broader creative landscape. Welcome back to a realm where innovation knows no bounds. You've just stepped into the Cryptoholics Corner, the ultimate portal for all things crypto. Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering insights, sharing news, and demystifying the complexities of this exciting digital frontier. Stay tuned for enlightening episodes, and remember, the crypto universe is vast, and together we'll navigate its depths. NFTs are a novel and revolutionary application of blockchain technology, offering a new way to represent ownership and authenticity of digital assets. To understand NFTs better, it's important to break down the components of this definition and explore their implications comprehensively. NFTs are distinct units of digital content, each representing a one-of-a-kind item in the digital realm. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, where each unit is interchangeable and holds the same value as any other unit, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning they cannot be directly exchanged on a like-for-like basis. Each NFT has its own unique characteristics, making it truly unique. Blockchain technology serves as the foundation for NFTs. A blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. In the case of NFTs, blockchain ensures that the ownership and transaction history of each digital asset are securely recorded and cannot be altered or tampered with. This provides a level of trust and transparency that is essential in verifying the authenticity and ownership of NFTs. NFTs enable artists and creators to tokenize their digital creations, assigning ownership rights to a specific digital item. This can include a wide range of digital content such as digital art, music, videos, virtual real estate, virtual goods and video games, collectibles, and even tweets. This innovative approach allows for the creation of a digital certificate of ownership, making it possible to buy, sell, and trade digital assets in a way that was previously challenging to achieve. Each NFT is associated with metadata, which includes information about the digital asset's creator, creation date, description, and any other relevant details. This metadata is crucial in establishing the authenticity and provenance of the digital item. It acts as a digital fingerprint that sets each NFT apart from one another, ensuring that collectors and buyers can verify the uniqueness and origin of the asset they are acquiring. NFTs have sparked a renaissance in digital art and creativity by providing artists with a new medium to showcase and monetize their work. Digital artists can now leverage NFTs to sell their creations directly to collectors, eliminating the need for intermediaries and galleries. This democratization of the art world allows artists to gain recognition and financial support, even in the absence of traditional gatekeepers. NFTs have introduced a revolutionary concept to the digital art world by leveraging blockchain technology. Let's explore how NFTs work and the transformative implications they hold. Creation and tokenization. NFTs are unique digital assets minted on blockchain platforms like Ethereum. Artists tokenize their digital creations, converting them into one-of-a-kind cryptographic tokens that represent ownership and authenticity. Establishing ownership and provenance. NFT ownership is recorded on a transparent and tamper-proof blockchain ledger. Each transaction involving an NFT, from its creation to transfers, is permanently documented, ensuring verifiable ownership history. Verifiable scarcity and value. NFTs introduce scarcity to the digital realm. Artists can issue limited editions of their work, imbuing them with rarity. Collectors value this uniqueness, driving up the NFT's market value and perception of worth. New avenues for creators. NFTs empower creators by providing a direct platform to showcase and monetize their work. Artists can set prices, earn royalties from secondary sales, and engage with their audience without traditional intermediaries. They enable verifiable scarcity, revolutionize ownership rights, and offer a direct path for artists to engage with their audience, transforming the landscape of digital art. The advent of non-fungible tokens has ignited a seismic transformation within the art market, reshaping conventional dynamics and ushering in a new era of artist empowerment. NFTs have disrupted traditional norms by placing unprecedented control into the hands of artists. Unlike the traditional art world where intermediaries often dictate terms, NFTs allow artists to assert ownership over their digital creations by embedding specific conditions and royalties directly into the NFT's blockchain-based smart contract. This artist-centric approach not only preserves the integrity of their vision, but also provides a direct link between creators and their audience. NFTs bring a revolutionary change to artist monetization. Unlike the traditional model where artists receive a single payment upon initial sale, NFTs empower artists to earn ongoing royalties on secondary transactions. When an NFT is resold, artists automatically receive a predetermined percentage, ensuring a more equitable and consistent income stream. This innovation liberates artists from relying solely on initial sales, offering them greater financial stability and creative freedom. Moreover, NFTs have democratized the art market, offering emerging artists an unprecedented platform for visibility and recognition. Breaking down barriers posed by traditional gatekeepers, NFTs allow artists to showcase their work on global digital marketplaces without the need for institutional validation. This has led to a surge of new and diverse voices in the art world, fostering a more inclusive and vibrant creative landscape. By challenging art market norms and providing a direct link between artists and collectors, NFTs have ignited a revolution that is reshaping how we perceive, create, and value art in this age. The advent of non-fungible tokens has brought forth profound implications for the realms of creativity and ownership in the digital age. This innovation has triggered discussions and debates around the nature of digital art, copyright enforcement, and the potential transformation of traditional models of ownership. Nature of digital art and copyright. NFTs have propelled the discourse surrounding the nature of digital art and how copyright principles apply to the digital domain. Unlike traditional physical artworks, digital creations are easily reproducible and distributable. NFTs address this challenge by utilizing blockchain technology to authenticate and establish provenance for digital works. This authentication mechanism, embedded within the NFT, verifies the originality and ownership of the digital art piece. As the technology matures, it prompts discussions on how to adapt and extend copyright laws to safeguard the rights of digital artists and creators. Protection of artists' work. In the digital age, protecting digital art from unauthorized use or duplication has been a significant concern. NFTs offer a potential solution by enabling artists to encode their rights and stipulations directly into the token itself. Smart contracts, a feature of blockchain technology, can automatically enforce conditions set by the artist, such as receiving a percentage of sales each time the NFT changes hands on the secondary market. This capability grants artists greater control and visibility over their work, allowing them to earn ongoing royalties and maintain a vested interest even after the initial sale. Transformation of ownership models. NFTs have introduced the concept of programmable ownership, which has the potential to reshape traditional ownership models. Artists can explore innovative collaborations and co-ownership arrangements with collectors or other creators through NFTs. This could involve shared ownership of a digital art piece, enabling multiple individuals to have a stake in its appreciation and success. These new ownership structures challenge the conventional notion of singular ownership and offer a glimpse into a more interconnected and participatory artistic ecosystem. The environmental impact of blockchain technology supporting NFTs has sparked concerns due to its high energy consumption. This has prompted the need to explore more sustainable alternatives as NFT demand grows. One solution is shifting to energy-efficient proof-of-stake systems, which use less power than traditional proof-of-work blockchains. Embracing such eco-friendly technologies within the NFT ecosystem can help mitigate its environmental footprint and ensure a more responsible evolution of digital art transactions. Thank you for joining us here at the Cryptoholics Corner, where we delve into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. We hope you've enjoyed this insightful journey, gaining valuable insights into the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Remember, fellow cryptonauts, knowledge is power, and your continued engagement drives us to explore even greater depths in the realm of digital assets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest explorations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the crypto revolution. This is the Cryptoholics Corner, and your support keeps our voyage going strong.